WPbasic allows you to share any content from your laptop with others and collaborate on one or more shared screens. This makes group discussions and interactive presentations easy and more productive. To get started, first run the WPbasic program on your laptop. Next, visually locate the shared display you would like to use. Compatible displays will show the Wireless Pixel's display host main screen, which includes network and connection information. Once you've identified the shared display you would like to use, you next need to make sure you are connected to the appropriate Wi-Fi network. This will be the network ID indicated on the display host. Once completed, you are ready to connect your laptop to the screen. To do this, enter the connection information found on the display host in the first box. If you would like to assign this display a nickname for future reference, such as the room number, you can enter this in the second box. The next time you connect to this display, you can simply select the name from the drop-down list. Enter your name in the last box. It is generally a good idea to make sure that the name you enter is unique to you to avoid potential confusion. You only have to do this one time. Press Connect, and you will be connected to the shared display. Once you are connected, you'll be able to share content from your computer's display. To share a window, hover over that window, and the WP button will appear on that window's top border. The WP button shows a menu with sharing options. All sharing will be done using this button, so remember how to access it. Click Share Window from the WP button menu to share the current window. This will only share the current window from your computer and nothing else. This is the best option for most occasions. Uncheck the Share Window option to stop sharing the current window. Click Share Desktop from any window to share your computer's entire desktop. This sharing option gives you the least amount of privacy, so only use it if the other options won't work for your needs. Uncheck Share Desktop to stop sharing your desktop. Click Share Region to share a region of your computer's screen. Click and drag to define what portion of your screen to share. The region will share anything shown within it. You can drag and resize as needed. Click the Close button to stop sharing the region. Clicking the Window Manager option will bring the window management control to the front. Drag windows around to move them on the shared display. Drag them to and from the shelf on the bottom to hide them temporarily. There are several different modes for sharing in WPbasic. Each of these modes is represented by a tab. The Participate tab is for participating in a presentation or group discussion. You will be taken to this tab by default when someone else is in control of the display. In this mode, your sharing may be limited by the person in control. When you want to give a presentation in front of a group, use the Present tab. This will give you exclusive control of the display. If you do not already have control at this point, you can ask the person in control to release control first, then click the Request Control button. Alternatively, you can press Reset Display Control from the display host before pressing Request Control on your laptop. Once in control, you can blank the shared display screens by checking the Blank Screens box. You can allow other connected users to share at appropriate places in your presentation by checking the Let Others Share box. When audience members share windows, they will appear on the shelf at the bottom. When you are ready, drag the windows off the shelf to show them. When you are done showing an audience window, you may right-click it and press Remove. When you want to lead a group discussion, use the Lead Discussion tab. You have 3 window control policies available. Only Me gives you exclusive access of the shared display. No one else can share new windows. Only Owner lets everyone share, but each user can only move his or her own windows. Anyone lets anyone share and move windows. When you are done using the shared display, you can disconnect from the display host by either pressing the Disconnect button on the Connection tab, closing the program, or putting your computer to sleep.